Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad, Estimation, Quantity Surveying and Valuation. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. See, last class we discussed principles of measurements. In this video, we'll see units of various items. See, this is the elevation of the one building. See, you observe carefully. So there are different types of items in only front elevation. Okay, not total building, only in front elevation, we are able to different types of items here, brickwork items, this windows, doors and railing, okay, cornice like this, elevation. So there are different type of works here, parapet, ground level, wall. So different items are there in this figure, okay. Now we'll see some more units. Yeah, this is a very important table, and you remember these are general specification, frequently asked questions in your examinations, all competitive examination and your end examination, maybe short questions and long questions. See, even you are asked to solve the problems of these particular items and the problems. One problem given, one plan and section given in the problem, in the question paper, you asked to find, calculate the quantities of these particular items. See, these general items from the beginning, I explained in previous videos what is the section of your foundation. Okay, yeah, first one is what are the general items. Generally first one is excavation, next one PCC under the foundation, okay, and footings, beams, columns, beams, brick masonry, slabs, like that. There are various items. And what are the units? What are the units of payment? See, this is very important point. I will explain everyone, and you remember. See here. See, we'll see. First one is earthwork item. Earthwork item. Okay. In earthwork item also there are different types. Okay. Earthwork, excavation, filling, and earthwork filling up to plinth beam. What is the units of measurement for earthwork in excavation? Cubic meter. In last videos I explained it. And payment is percentage of cubic meter. Suppose 100 cubic meter, so that is 1. So for 100 cubic meter, say 1000 rupees. So units of payment in the calculations, this is only difference between other items to this excavation item. So you observe this units of payment. Units of payment. See, percentage of cubic meter. Okay, and see here, if you see excavation and filling a foundation also in cubic meter. Okay, this is also payment. How you are going to payment? After calculating total quantity by 100 and into your rate given. This is percentage. And filling after basement or plinth level, your filling volume also in cubic meter, and units of payment also in percentage of cubic meter. See, second item is concrete. See, lime concrete in foundation. Actually, in north side generally they will use lime as the availability of lime is more that side. But in general, in our South India, our area will use cement concrete in foundation. The unit is cubic meter and units of payment per cubic meter. See, observe it, same. See, suppose you got 10 cubic meter of PCC, that is placement concrete bed or lime concrete under the foundation. The payment is also per cubic meter. Per cubic meter, rupees 3,000 or 3,500 per cubic meter. So 10 into 3,500, that is your cost. Similarly, cement, concrete lintels also cubic meters, and units of payment is per cubic meter. RCC slab, the unit is cubic meter, and payment also units of payment. Chajjas, chajjas, the thickness is very small. That's why this is in square meters. So payment also in square meter. And sun shade is a small length. You calculated per cubic meter, payment also in cubic meter, right? We'll see next slide. See, dam proof course. This is very important bit question previously asked in GATE, also in one of the GATE examination. What is the unit of DPC of TPC? That is square meter, and rate also will pay per square meter. But in the question, see, just is given what is the unit for 200 mm thickness of dam proof course of length 6 meters, width 0.3 meters. So he has given like problem. Okay. So whenever you will find depth, width, length, you will calculate value. Okay. That is you say that is in cubic meter. No. DPC always in calculated in square meter. That is the principal unit in the this subject. Understand? See, to confuse you, they will give you thickness of the pavement, TPC. Thickness should be mentioned here also. He has given this word 100 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm, 250 mm, whatever it may be, but the unit is square meter. Always remember, dam proof course unit is square meter, and payment also per square meter. See, many students they did mistake in the attempting of these questions. Definitely you will get multiple choice questions. Generally in competitive examinations or interviews, you are asked to this question because this is very basic concept question. What is the unit of dam proof course? See, whenever I repeated 2-3 times, you must remember these important, because always these are important in points. So frequently asked questions only. Okay. See here, and brickwork. When you see brickwork in foundation, that is also length, width, breadth in cubic meter calculated. Payment also per cubic meter. Brickwork in superstructure also in cubic meter. Up to plinth level, cubic meter. Payment also per cubic meter. Thin partitions. Here you observe, suppose 4 inches wall, that is in square meter, per square meter. Brickwork in arches, cubic meter. Reinforced brickwork, cubic meter. Payment also per cubic meter. So brickwork unit is cubic meter. Similarly, stone work, stone masonry, that is unit is cubic meter. Okay, payment also in cubic meter. Here, roofing, RCC slab in cubic meter. Payment also per cubic meter. Okay, so lintels, square meter. Payment also square meters. Right? See, here, and centering shuttering. This is also in square meter. AC sheet roofing, that is also square meter. Payment also per square meter. See, roof except slab, all where thickness is small, is very small, then that is in square meter, and wherever thickness say 120 mm, 100 mm, 150 mm thickness of slab, then the quantity is in cubic meter, and payment also in cubic meter. Centering, shuttering, what is the unit? Square meter, and payment also per square meter. And plastering, finishing, as discussed just now, the unit is square meter and payment also per square meter. Painting is in running meter. Okay, painting per square meter. See, these are all some of the important works and their units. Okay, plastering, roofing, see, columns, beams, RCC, excavation, units. What are the units? What are the payment of units? So in next class, we'll discuss principles of working out quantities for detailed abstract rules of measurement. Okay, thank you.